Kevin from Slide In Mobile Detailing. Today we're going to be showing you how to apply the Jordan Leather Cleaner by Suma Performance. So we're going to first do a test spot. Always do a test spot to make sure that the product doesn't stain. We've tested this on multiple leather surfaces. It has not been known to stain, but you want to do is use the test spot on the side of the seat. That way if something does happen, you're not going to see it right away. Right here, so as you can see, there's no staining, so we can go ahead and now apply it to the full portion. These are some spots from just everyday use. And as you can see, the cleaner has already removed the 4 little spots here that you saw earlier. So yeah, this stuff works great. The proof is in the pudding that the Suma Performance Leather Cleaner works 100%.